So hello friends, and this is our next puzzle. So very nice puzzle, lot of learnings, uh, quite difficult, not very easy. Try to get more meaning out of each sentence. Okay, so just we'll go through the puzzle. We'll try to give you hint, then you can try it yourself. Okay, so three friends eating four types of chocolates: Melody, Dairy Milk, Five Star, and Kit Kat. Now, each of the four types of chocolates is eaten by exactly two friends. That what does this sentence means? Melody, it is eaten by exactly two friends. Dairy Milk, it is eaten by exactly two friends. Then Five Star, again exactly two friends, and Kit Kat, exactly two friends. So in total, they are eating how many chocolates? In total, they are eating how many chocolates? They are eating eight chocolates. Two plus two plus two plus two. So in total, three friends, they are eating eight chocolates. No friend eat all four types of chocolates. Okay. So चारों के चारों चॉकलेट कोई भी एक बंदा नहीं खा रहा है. So at the max, any friend can eat three types of chocolates. Now, don't stop here. Okay, don't stop here. Try to combine these two sentences. Try to combine these two sentences, first and second. Uh, each of the four types of chocolates and no friend eats. And try to get more meaning out of this sentence. Uh, what could be the breakup of the number of chocolates eaten? Can it be the let's say total eight chocolates eaten? Can it be four two two? Four is not possible. So what could be the breakup of the number of chocolates eaten? Try to find out that particular thing. Now coming back to these three conditions, uh, you should know this the use of the sentence if A then B. Use of this sentence if A then B. I will try to explain this particular sentence how does it work. But before explaining, you can try to look at the cases, try to make as many cases as possible, try to eliminate the cases as per these conditions, and then try to see if you can find the answer for this particular question or not. Okay, I want you guys to try your best, then only look at the solution. Pause the video now, try to work on these things, try to make the cases, try to make the things from these two sentences, and then only see the solution. Now, uh, first we'll try to see this particular sentence if A then B. Now take any sentence. Okay, take this particular sentence. If Mishti eats Melody, then she also eats Five Star. That means if A then B. So if Mishti eats if Mishti eats Melody, then she also eats Five Star. If A then B, A is nothing but Mishti is eating Melody. B is nothing but she is also eating Five Star. Now, if A is happening, that means she is eating Melody, then she also eats Five Star. So B has to happen. Okay. If A is happening, B has to happen. If she is eating Melody, then she has to eat Five Star as well. Now, what does this sentence mean? Can we take more meanings out of this sentence? Try to see different possibilities of this sentence. If A is not happening, then can we predict anything about B? If Nishti is not eating Melody, does that mean she is also not eating Five Star? No. If Mishti is not eating Melody, we don't know about anything whether she is eating Five Star or not. So if A is not happening, we cannot predict anything about the happening of B. So B can happen, B cannot happen. B may happen or B may not happen. It doesn't depend on the happening of A. Only we know that if A is happening, then B has to happen. But if A is not happening, B can happen or B cannot happen. B may happen or B may not happen. Both are possible. So B can happen on its own as well. So happening of A is only a sufficient condition to happen B, but not the necessary condition. Okay. B can happen on its own as well. That means Mishti can eat Five Star, only Five Star without eating Melody as well. So B can happen on its own as well. So we cannot predict anything about happening of B when A is not happening. Now, if B is not happening, can we predict anything about happening of A? That means if Mishti is not eating Five Star, can I say she is eating Melody but she is not eating Five Star? No. What does this sentence mean? If she eats Melody, she has to eat Five Star. So if she is eating Melody, she has to eat Five Star. If she is not eating 5 star, she cannot eat melody as well. Because if she eats melody, she has to eat 5 star. If she is not eating 5 star, that means she is not eating melody. So if A is A and B, if A then B, if A is happening, B has to happen. If B is not happening, A cannot happen. Okay. So if A is happening, B has to happen. If B is not happening, A cannot happen. And if A is not happening, we cannot predict anything about happening of B. B can happen on its own as well. So, so three interpretations of this particular sentence. If A, then B. If A is happening, B has to happen. If B is not happening, A cannot happen. B can happen on its own as well. B can happen alone as well. So, uh, just take these conditions in your mind, take these interpretations in your mind, try to understand these interpretations, and then try to solve this question. If you haven't got such solution yet, try to pause the video again, try to make the conditions, and then try to find the answer for this particular question. So pause the video. In the next video, we'll try to find the answer for this particular question.